Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in my NIV Journal the Word Bible. I am in the book of 1 Chronicles chapter 16, starting in verse 8, where it says, "Give praise to the Lord, proclaim his name, make known among the nations what he has done. Sing to him, sing praises to him, tell of all his wonderful acts." And that just keeps going on in the verse, but I wanted to focus on the part about singing and giving praise to the Lord, which I think is very important. And every time I go to church, we do this. We have an awesome praise team at church. And so, but you can also do it any time of the day. Just break out in music. I have this little die cut that I received from my friend Lisa, who's a Worthy Life on Instagram, and it says, "With my song I will praise him." And so I wanted to pull out the colors that are in this. There's a hot pink and a turquoise and an orange. There's also a green, but I'm not going to do green because I don't have that color in my paint stash. But I wanted to pull the colors out. I have just some random paints here. These are the colors. And I just thought they would be fun, bright colors to do for a summer journal entry. And so I'm going to use, I have this credit card. It's not a credit card, it's just a loyalty card. And I'm going to do some swiping along the side here and then just put my die cut there. And I might do some paint flicks on the rest of the page, maybe add some washi tape if I feel it needs something at the end. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. my final entry. I think the colors are just so beautiful. I love all those colors together. It goes really well with my little die cut here. I did decide to go in and do some splattering of the paint. Just when you do that, know that it's going to be everywhere, so you need to cover your surface. I did cover this side of my Bible, but I did get some on my work surface, but it does wipe up. But if you know, you could put some paper underneath there if you don't want to have to clean up whatever your work surface is here. Anyway, I love how this turned out. It's always a simple technique and it looks really cool at the end. So I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.